How to set up Wi-Fi direct on your HP Envy Photo 7975 printer. So I will go step by step. Let's get started. On the display of your printer, we need to tap on the top section where you see all the small icons. Then you need to select the cogwheel on the left side. Next, go down and select Wi-Fi Direct. Make sure it is turned on. And then you're going to see Connection Method Manual. Tap on it. Make sure it's manual. Drag down from the top of the screen the way I just did it. Go down. Make sure info is selected here. And you should see Direct. And this will be the name of the Wi-Fi Direct of your printer. I'll show you in just a few seconds how to connect. And down below, you're going to get the password that you need. Tap on this option and everything will be very clearly presented to you. You can print this in case you prefer having it on a paper. But at this point, all you have to do is to take your phone or your computer, take the device you want to print with, and you need to go into the Wi-Fi settings. So on this Android smartphone, I will go in Connection, Wi-Fi. Wait a few seconds. You should see the Wi-Fi name that appears on this display on your phone. Here we go. You see direct, oops, not the one I just selected, the first one. And then has a password. Well, you simply have to type exactly the number you see on your display, not on my printer. Every printer has a different password. So I'll go ahead and type it. On the display, you're going to see successfully connected. This means everything is done. You can now open the picture you want to print on your phone. For example, on Android, I'll simply go on my photo gallery, select the picture, and on Android, again, it's on the top right corner. You need to click on the three dots and select print. On iPhone, you're going to get a square with an arrow, and you need to click on that icon, and one of the options will be print. Once you're over here, you're going to go on the top, tap there, and select your HP Envy Photo 7900 series printer. Now you have a few options. You can change the number of copies and whatnot. And at the end, press the print button. Usually everything works quite quickly. In under 15 seconds, you should have the result coming out of here. Okay, this one took a bit more than 15 seconds. Obviously, if you're printing a picture, it will take even a minute to print comparing to a text file. But the results are looking great. Obviously, this is the HP Envy photo printer. Therefore, pictures will mostly come out really nicely. But this is how you use Wi-Fi Direct to get the results from your phone printed on your printer. Thanks for watching. Leave a like, comment, subscribe. Check my Amazon links if you want to get replacement ink for this printer or some paper. And I will see you in the next video. Don't forget to leave a comment.